I learned Ideal from my dad and my brother, and I sparked an interest in Photoshop and Adobe Premiere Pro. And what I expect from Ideal was to learn something new and be able to live the dream that I wanted to do Photoshop and Premiere Pro. My first expectation of Ideal was it wasn't going to be an easy course to take, but when I first learned how to work Photoshop, it came to be very easy and very interesting, I would say, especially when it came to Premiere Pro. I wasn't expecting it to be a little hard, but it was definitely hard at some points during the course of it, especially towards the end. My instructor is Raj, and I would have to say he's an awesome teacher, very given, especially time consuming to his students, and especially letting us do our own design and videos without being judged on how it looks or how we present it. My best experience at Ideal had to be Photoshop. Photoshop is where you can actually put out your designs for a t-shirt, a cup, etc. Just get your design out there. And all the teachers that didn't realize how good I was at Photoshop when I first stepped in, and I kind of made them almost baffled on how good I am at it without taking any courses before I came to Ideal. Follow your dreams, and Ideal actually helps you go and follow your dreams to something that you would actually enjoy doing and succeed in it. As I'm seeing in Photoshop, which I had so many doubts in my own designs to where it took my dad to convince me to come here to do the program. And now I finally get to actually put my designs out there that I've been keeping hidden for a while on my laptop. And I got the confidence back to put my designs out there again. To put my designs on t-shirts for everybody to see that who wants to buy them, and basically put my designs out there for the world to see. Follow your dreams and let the best come to you in your future, for your future ahead of you. Thank you for showing us to keep our confidence up and make our dreams come a reality.